Hello, beautiful people, lovers of freedom, lovers of success, lovers of good things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depend on your time zone. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. The wonderful update that I have for you today is a mind blowing. A lot has been going on, a lot has been taking place, and a lot has put into consideration. Right now, something is going on right now with Biafra in Finland. In fact, I have to analyze it in a way that everybody will be carried along. Recently, something happened with Simon Ekpa and the Ipob in Finland. And Simon Ekpa, you know him, he don't keep it. He will just come out and dish it out. He came out and he exposed a lot of things about the Ipob in Finland. Their operations, what they do, what they are doing, how they are getting their money, how they squander the money, how they misuse the money, how they mismanage their office. He came out and speak a lot of words to Biafrans. And now he wrote on his verified Facebook page that the Ipob in Finland is about to be shut down. Aseshu, who does that? Does that mean that it's so easy for them to, the leadership of the Ipob, to come out and said we are closing down the Ipob in Finland? And believe me, Simon Ekpa told them that if they try to close it, he is going to open another one. So I think that by so doing, they are giving room for other things again. If the Ipob leadership will hear me or will watch this video, or you will do it to share this video, to make this video go viral, if they will hear me for what I'm about to say, though we are not sure yet because there is no announcement on Radio Biafra that they are going to close the Ipob in Finland. Meanwhile, I have also watched some top DOS member calling on the Ipob leadership to close the Ipob in Finland, to shut it down. I have watched a lot of videos like that they came out to tell the leadership of Ipob that the DOS should use their authority, should use their power to close down the Ipob in Finland. But fam, believe me, with all due respect to the DOS, with all due respect to the leadership, please don't make the mistake of saying you want to close the Ipob in Finland just because of Simon Ekpa having an issue with some persons that are involved. Do well to use your office and try and settle this issue. Know where the fault is coming from, and before you do the closure, make sure you investigate the issues that Simon Ekpa tabled before Biafrans, because Biafrans, they are wise. They hear everything that is going on. We are so sensitive as well. Use your office to investigate. Don't just hear from one particular side. Let it not be like gossip. Please, that is my message to the DOS, to the leadership of Ipob, that they should not just close the Ipob in Finland just like that, but they should do thorough investigation about the issues that Simon Ekpa raised. Because if they just close it this way, they will say, oh, because Simon Ekpa exposed them, that is why they are about to shut it down. Every sensible person will think this, including a lot of people starting to have doubts on the leadership of Ipob. So therefore, if they close down the Ipob in Finland, it will give room to a lot of people to say, yes, we said this before, but you people thought we are joking. Now, hear it now, see it now, we've said it, you have seen it now, that because Simon Ekpa exposed this thing, that is why they closed the Ipob in Finland. Now I want us to hear it from Simon Ekpa, word to word, what he wrote on his verified Facebook page. Here he goes. He said, we have received intel that the criminals in DOS want to close Ipob in Finland as a cover-up. This is just what I am saying, that if they do it, if they close it, that means what Simon Ekpa is saying is truth. A lot of people will say you people close to really hide some things that you are doing. So that is why I am calling on the leadership of IPOB. Please, my wonderful family, do well to share this video and let it go viral. Let it get to them. Let it get to the IPOB leadership. With due respect, I respect the DOS a lot. I respect the leadership. But I still have to bring my own opinion. If it's true, though we've not heard from the Radio Biafra, nobody have announced it among the leadership, that means it's just a mere circulation. But if at all this type of idea is coming to the leadership of IPOB, please retrieve it, because it's not going to sound good. Because Simon Ekpa is already saying that they want to close it because he has exposed them and is to cover up. And he said, let me put it ahead of them that if they tries and announce the closure of IPOB Finland, we will make it one of the strongest after America and Canada. And he moved further to say, having exposed them to Biafrans, the bunch of criminals in DOS led by Chinesa and Nworu have no rights to close IPOB Finland under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. These criminals in DOS, having misrepresented and mismanaged everything Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left in their hands, they have no right to close IPOB Finland just to cover their criminality through the coordinator of Finland called Anthony Obasi. The IPOB members in Finland are now united and strong, and the criminals or those adding and abetting criminality in DOS will close IPOB Finland. I am Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciples on Biafra restoration. You see, these are the words of Simon Ekpa. These are the words that he spoke at, and he said, if they close IPOB in Finland, it's going to be stronger. The one he is going to open is going to be stronger than IPOB in America and Canada. And again, why I said the DOS or the IPOB leadership to put this into consideration before thinking of closing it. If they close it, if they venture close it, that means people will say, oh, it's because of what Simon Ekpa said. That is why they close it. That means Simon Ekpa is right after all. So I want the leadership of IPOB to prove to the world that Simon Ekpa is wrong. Yes, by allowing the IPOB in Finland continue what they are doing. And Simon Ekpa also makes some point and said, IPOB in Finland, they are not stronger and they are united. So who are those people? Who is in the midst of this? If Simon Ekpa is in good relationship with the IPOB in Finland, then who are these people that is making this thing so difficult? Because before now, when His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said Simon Ekpa should broadcast in Radio Biafra, they said Simon Ekpa is not IPOB member, is not among the ESCOs, is not known, is not associating with the IPOB in Finland. But now he is telling you that they are in unity and they love themselves. So we are a little bit confused. So please, I'm pleading with the IPOB leadership to put things in order. Yes, they should put this in order. I know that it's not going to be easy, but they should try and put things in order so that 2022, everybody will be up and doing. The Nigerian government is aware that the IPOB leadership, they are not in one accord, but in unity, they shall stand more tall than before. So I am wishing everybody watching this video right now a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2022. And above all, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you are a great man. We love you and we will keep on loving you. Stay tuned and God bless. So if you have been enjoying all this and you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, to this powerful channel, oh my word, let me take a pause and let you click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. In case you don't know who is talking, I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.